Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, we are going to discuss about the ordering of the strategies. In the previous videos of software testing methodologies, we are discussing about regarding about the data flow testing. Okay, so what are the various things to be used in data flow testing? And in this regard, we have seen various kinds of the strategies also in our previous videos, like all DU paths, all uses strategy, all P uses are all some C uses strategy, all C uses some P uses strategy, all definition strategy represented as AD, and all predicate uses APU, all computational uses ACU strategies like this. Okay, so now we are going to see, we have already discussed each and every strategy clearly in our previous video. Okay, so now I am going to describe about the ordering of the strategies. What are the ordering of the strategies? How these strategies can be ordered while working with the program. Okay, so now the ordering of the strategies. First, we are going to talk about the very first one is all paths. Okay, so before going to all DU, all US, and all these things, first of all we have to consider all the paths, and next one is all DU paths, all define and usage paths. Then coming to all uses. In this all uses, we have there are two different kinds of the uses now. Already we have discussed computational use and predicate use. So either computational use or predicate use is one side, and either predicate use or computational use is another side we have taken. Okay, so at the time we have used all computational uses at one side, and all the definition, sorry, predicate uses at this side, and we combine both. We are talking about all the definitions. These two uses can be defined for all the defined variables, or for all the defined variable having defined paths only. Okay, so all the predicate uses, again we are having some branches and some set of the statement execution for predicates and all these things. Like that, this ordering strategy can be ordered like this in the form of a tree manner. Okay, so the first one is all paths, and the second one is all DU paths, all uses, all C or some predicate strategies, or all predicates or some calculation computation strategies, and then all computational uses, all P uses at the both the ends. And the next one coming to the this one, all definitions, this can be applicable for all the definitions. And then branches, predicates, we are having some branches, because the predicate can get executed, the predicate can be represented like this. So it can either it true it goes to one end, either false it goes to one end, so that a predicate can have some branches like this. Okay, so this end, one branch of the statements, this end another branch contains some set of the statements. So for this purpose, I have used the predicate uses. We are having certain branches. If the predicate executes and it gives the value 0, it goes to this end. If it yields the value 1, it goes to another end. So we have to evaluate each and every branch here. So this is the branch and this is the statement like this. Okay, so this is the ordering of the strategies. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the two different kind of the operations that we use with this program in the find of this data flow testing. Okay, so very first one is the slicing. So don't confuse with the slicing. Actually the slicing is nothing but one kind of the operation. You are aware of the data mining. In the data mining, the cube structure will be there, a 6-phase cube structure. How it look like some kind of the bread, how our eating bread will be broken into some set of the pieces, cutting into some set of the pieces, and each and every cut of that piece is called as a slice means a 6-phase cube can be cut into some set of the slices. Okay, so in that same manner the program is also having some kind of the parts. Each and every part of that static program is called as slicing. Okay, so this slicing may have some set of the statements, some set of the predicates, some set of the variable definitions, and all these things obviously. Okay, so how you can cut a bread, in the same manner you can assume a program is a 6-phase cube and you can cut it. Okay, so that's why it is saying a static program slice is a part of the program defined with respect to a given variable x and a statement. Okay, so it may contain some set of a variable x and some set of the statements. And now coming to the dicing. What is the meaning of the dicing? Dicing is also one kind of the operation. Actually, it's a part of the slice. Whenever you cut the slice, that is called a dice. Okay. So whenever you know the slices now, how the slice can be cut. So how a bread can be cut, that part is called a slice. So if you again cut the slice, that is called a dice. A program dice is a part of the slice in which all the statements which are known to be correct and have been removed. The things which are correct have been removed. The things which are to be tested, those can be retained in the part of the dicing. Okay. And now, in other words, a dice is obtained from the slice by incorporating information obtained through the testing information. So, dice normally obtained by the testing information or by debugging line by line execution. Okay, so we can obtain a statement as also as a dice like that. So, what is a dice actually? It's a part of the slice. Okay, so it's a part of the slice where the correction of the statements have been removed. The things which are to be tested, those can be retained in the dicing. Like this, we have completed our data flow testing. In our coming videos, we talk about the other kind of the things which are already mentioned in the software testing syllabus. Okay, so till now we have completed all the data flow testing strategies, how to order the strategies, and what are the slicing and dicing operations. Thank you for watching.